Millions of mourners have gathered in Iran's holy city of Mashhad to mark the martyrdom anniversary of the 8th Shia Imam. Special ceremonies are being held at Imam Reza's shrine to mark the occasion. Massive memorial services are also held in local mosques and other religious centers across Iranian cities. Imam Reza was martyred after being poisoned by the Abbasid Caliph Ma'mun in the year 818.
شهید آتش زهر جفایی شهید آتش زهر جفایی وارث قربت.
All right, we're now joined by our correspondent Hamid Javani, who's with us from the holy city of Mashhad to tell us more about the commemorations taking place in Imam Reza's shrine in the holy city.
Today is a day of grief and mourning for all the Muslims in Iran and different countries around the world. It's the day that their 8th Imam of Shia was murdered on the last day of the month of Safar in the lunar calendar. Imam Reza was brought here by the Caliphate, the self-appointed Caliphate Ma'mun in the province of Khorasan, to be further isolated from his people. But because of Imam Reza's extraordinary character, he could gain popularity in here, and all the people fell in love with him, and he stayed in here. But then Ma'mun had no other way but to poison him and then be the one who maneuvers around the people and gains the hearts of people, but at the end he wasn't successful. Anyway, today is the day that all the people, all the Muslims, Shia Muslims, commemorate the martyrdom of Imam Reza. You know, the holy shrine of Imam Reza in Mashhad every year gathers a great number of people, an extraordinary number of people come here and commemorate and also pay their respect and also renew their allegiance with their Imam, with the house of Prophet Muhammad and his grandsons. I'm also aware that several great religious services are held in the city of Qom in central Iran and Shiraz in the southwest, which are home to Imam Reza's revered sister and one of his brothers. And what adds to the significance and magnificence of this big ceremony in here, this martyrdom anniversary, is that all the people from different parts of Iran are here with different ethnicities, and they have their unique way of mourning and paying their respect. And I have to tell you that up until now, approximately 3 million people have entered this holy shrine in the span of 4 days that we've been here. These people have braved the frigid weather. You know, we've been here, and today has a very clear weather, but in the last 3 days, it was a very harsh weather with heavy raining. And these people, this rain was like a fuel to these people, and it added to their passion while they were marching and citing elegies while they were walking toward the holy shrine. And I have to tell you that the city of Mashhad is the spiritual capital of Iran, and it owes its significance to Imam Reza's shrine, which attracts almost 30 million pilgrims from around the world, and that's what's happening in here. Today is a true magnificent manifestation of Shia Muslims' love and respect for their Imam and holy leader. Back to you.
Thank you very much. Hamid Javani joining us from the holy city of Mashhad in northeastern Iran.